Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope everybody is fine at your place. And now, today, you know which exams you have? Yes, today is maths exams. And I hope everybody has done a very nice practice. Okay? So, teacher is going to read out the whole paper for you. Okay? First, see the questions properly, attempt all the questions, and after writing the questions check your answers and do the whole paper very nicely. Okay, come on, let's start. So children, here you have to fill up the details, okay, as you had done before. But here see, in class second is already mentioned but division is not mentioned, so it is very compulsory to write down the division. Okay, so write down your division here next to the class. Then comes roll number, you have to write your roll number. Then comes name, you have to write your full name. Okay, father's name means your name, father's name and surname. All right, come on, now let's move to the questions. Question number 1 is multiple choice questions. Okay, the first one is 7 meter plus 10 meter is equal to dash meter. Here the options are given to us, that is first one is 17, 10 and 18. Okay, so whatever answer is correct, just put a tick mark in the bracket. Number 2, milk, oil and petrol is measured in dash. Options are meter, liter, gram. Third one is a pictograph represents numbers as dash. Options are shapes, stems and pictures. Fourth is when we divide something into 4 equal parts, then each part is called dash. Options are quarter, half and 1/3. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2a. Give change in two different ways. And as you can see here, or is written. So in the first part you will give the first option. In the second part you will give the second option. Okay, so the first picture is here eraser. And the cost of the eraser is 2 rupees. So you have to draw coins or notes. Okay, whatever will come, you have to draw that. Number 2 is ice cream cone and the cost of it is 20 rupees. Okay, so in two different ways you have to draw the coins or notes. Question number 2b, convert into rupees and paise. First one is 150 paise is equal to rupees dash and dash paise. Number 2, 925 paise is equal to rupees dash and dash paise. Number 3, 375 paise is equal to rupees dash and dash paise. D, 525 paise is equal to rupees dash and dash paise. Okay. So this way you are going to write down the answer in rupees and paise both. Question number 3a, add. Here you are going to do addition. Okay. Now the first one is in meter and centimeter. So 3 meter 25 centimeter plus 4 meter 75 centimeter. Just write down the answer in the box. Okay. Number 2. 25 rupees 75 paise, 35 rupees 25 paise. So write the answer in the box. C, kilograms and grams. 7 kg 700 grams plus 6 kg 170 grams. D, it is in liter and milliliter. 8 liter 555 milliliter, 1 liter 345 milliliter. Okay, so you have to write down the answers in the box. Next comes subtract. Question number 3b. Here you have to do subtraction. Rupees and paise. 206 rupees 25 paise minus 103 rupees 75 paise. Number 2, B, meter and centimeter. 8 meter 50 centimeter minus 3 meter 25 centimeter. C, kilograms and grams. 8 kilogram 750 grams. 3 kilogram, minus 3 kilogram 250 grams. D, 5 liter 500 milliliter minus 3 liter 395 milliliter. Okay, so you have to write down the answers in the box. Question number 3c. Use the ruler shown to measure the length of each object in centimeter. Okay, so here the scale is already given to you and the object is already placed on the top. You just have to see what is the length of the object and write down in the box. The first one is given nail, second is given a screwdriver. Okay, write down the answer in the box. Question number 4a, story sums. Meera, her father and her mother went to the market and here's what they buy. So here is the list given what they had purchased. Okay. So first one is given tomatoes, that is 1 kg 500 grams. Green peas 450 grams. Chilies 250 grams. Apples 2 kg 200 grams. Potatoes 1 kg 250 grams. Grapes 1 kg 200 grams. Capsicum 250 grams. Onion 500 grams. So this is the shopping list. Now you have to see the list and then answer the question. So the first one is given, in Meera's bag, the shopkeeper puts the chilies and the onions. How much does the Meera's bag weight? Okay, so refer the shopping list and write down the answer. Okay, next question is, which weighs more, the grapes or apples? How much more? Okay, so refer to the shopping list and write down the answer. Now question B, that is, look at these bottles. Here you can see few bottles and with the help of these bottles you have to answer the question. The first one is, which bottle contains the most? Second is, how much do C and D contain together? Question number 4b, story sums. Mary has 15 rupees, Tara has 28 rupees and Babu has 19 rupees. How much money do they have together? Okay, so here as you can see the box is also given and the statement, for writing statement also the lines are given. So it is compulsory to write down the statement also and you have to do the sum also. Number 2, Deepak had 100 rupees. He bought a school bag for 80 rupees. How much money is left with him? Okay, so this is also a story sum. So write down the statement and do the sum. Question number 5a. Look at the pictograph and answer the question. Who has the fewest coins? Okay, so count the coins and write down the answer. Who has the most coins? C. How many coins does Anurag have? D. How many coins do Julie and Ali together have? E. How many coins does Anurag have than Julie? How many more coins does Anurag have than Julie? F. How many coins do they have in all? So children, here as it is a pictograph, you have to see the pictures and then you have to write down the answers. Question number 5b. What fraction do each has been shaded? So here you have to see the picture, you have to see the shaded part and then you have to write down the fraction in the box. Question number 6a, multiply. Okay, the first one is 429 multiplied by 2. B, 107 multiplied by 7. Question number 6b, divide. First one is 36 divided by 6. Okay, so you have to just solve out the sum. Whatever is the quotient, you have to write down in the box. Whatever is the remainder, that also you have to write down in the box. Okay. Now, B, 47 divided by 5. Here also you will work out the sum. Whatever is the quotient, write down in the box. Whatever is the remainder, write down in the box. Okay. Okay, so children, this way first read the questions, okay, and after writing the paper just check whether you had not missed out any of the answers, any of the questions. Okay, so check your paper nicely, see the spellings. If any spelling mistake is there, then correct it and do your paper nicely. Okay children, all the best.